In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove friends on Discord. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect and what happens after you remove someone. Start by opening Discord on your computer, either using the desktop app or in your web browser. The steps are identical, so use whichever you prefer. Once Discord loads, look to the top left corner of the window. Click the home icon there. This is the button that takes you out of any servers you were viewing and opens your friends area. If you don't see your servers on the left anymore, you're in the right place. Now you should be looking at your friends list. This view shows all your current friends, as well as tabs like All, Online, and Pending. To make things faster, you can use the search bar at the top of this list to type the person's name or part of it. If you have a long list, searching helps you avoid scrolling and reduces the chance of removing the wrong person. When you find the friend you want to remove, move your mouse over their name and right-click it. This opens a small menu with several options related to that user. Be sure you're right-clicking from the friends list, not inside a server member list, to avoid confusion. From the menu, select Remove Friend. This action simply takes them off your friends list. It does not block them, and they won't get a notification saying you removed them. Any existing direct messages with them will stay in your sidebar unless you delete the conversation separately. If you share servers, you'll still see them in those servers, and they can still message you depending on your privacy settings. If you want to prevent contact altogether, that's a different feature called Block. But today, we're just focusing on removing a friend. After you click Remove Friend, Discord may ask you to confirm. If a prompt appears, go ahead and confirm the removal. This is a quick safeguard to make sure you didn't click the option by accident. Once confirmed, the person will disappear from your friends list immediately. That's it. You've successfully removed a friend on Discord. If you change your mind later, you can send them a friend request again at any time. Take a moment to double-check you selected the right person before confirming, especially if multiple users have similar names or avatars. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.